Today we are going to be trying out this Christine's Chop Shop. This is birdie food. It is freeze-dried. It is freeze-dried animal chop, vegetables, and he's ready to get into it. Are you ready to eat it? Look at him. He's already ready to eat this. Okay, so before we get into this little birdie food, I'm going to introduce you to my parrots. This is Noah. He is an Indian ringneck parakeet, and he is almost 2. And this is Moses, and he is a Kayik parrot, and he is so ready to get into this food. Now, we just got him 2 weeks ago, and these two haven't really become friends yet, so I'm trying to keep them separate as much as possible. So, yeah, let's get started to get their minds off of each other. Are you ready for this? Look at him. He is so ready to get into this. Moses, are you excited? All right, so what do y'all want to try first? Do you want to try this first? All right, Noah, which one do you want to try? Which one do you want to try? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? All right, let's try the apple brittle. So I got the apple brittle, the corn wheels, and then the Big Bird bites, and they're all freeze dried. I don't know about this. I don't think that's freeze dried. Okay, so you want to open this first? All right. Into it. What do you want to eat first? They've got all kinds of stuff in here. I think this might be a beet, and then they have squash and carrots and. All right, do you want to bite? Let's see. Okay, so I believe this is the carrot. So we're going to cut this in half and see if they want it. Oh, he wants it. Well, Moses, do you like it? You want to try it now? Is that good? Is that good? Is that good? Whoa, hold on. You have some right here, Noah. Hold on. Where'd it go? Is that good, Moses? Do you like it? Is that good? Is that good? It smells good. Pretty good. Here, you try it. A lot of times if I try something, then Noah's going to immediately try it. Whether or not he likes it is, up to him. But that's how I get him to try new things. Do you like that? All right. Step down. Good boy. Do you want to try, let's try something else. Let's try the apple brittle. You want to try the apple brittle? I bet you this is going to be good. She's so good. Look at him. Okay. Each of y'all are going to get a bite. What do you think? Here you go. You try it? Is that good? Is that good? Give me a kiss. Oh. Do you like it? Is that pretty good? Yeah, it's good. Here you go. It's good and crunchy for them. And it's got seeds in it. Look, you want another bite? Here you go. Grab it. Ooh, is that good? Here you go. Okay. Is that good? You like it? All right. Let's try. I thought I saw some. Oh, here's some corn. Noah loves corn. So we're going to see if he likes this freeze-dried corn. It smells so good. No, you eat my hair? Look, all right, step up. Step up. Is that good? You making a mess? Is that good? Do you like it? Come here. Come here. Making a big mess. Here. He's going for the carrot. Is that good? Is that good? Do you like the corn? I think they like it. You like that apple brittle, huh? Here, you want some of this corn? Oh, is that good? Give me a kiss. Y'all making a big mess, huh? Do you like that, Noah? I think they like it. This is so exciting because Noah doesn't really, he eats vegetables and he eats fruits, but he's real picky. So I figured if I got him this, he might do better at eating different kinds of vegetables. Moses doesn't really have a problem eating foods. He likes to try all new foods. Noah, now he'll eat anything that I have in my hand, like, and he'll eat it like if it's my food. But sometimes he's kind of picky. They love the corn. Carly, you want to come around here? Sure. This is Carly, and she's going to let Moses eat from her hand. She likes Moses. She's scared of Noah because Noah can fly everywhere, and he just lands on whoever he wants to. And so she's not as scared of Moses. Is that good? You want some more apple brittle? Want some more of this?
My fingers don't fit in.
Oh, he likes apple brittle. I think he likes the apple brittle the best. He'll say, "Is that good?" Whenever he likes something.
Yeah, he did it to Brennan yesterday.
And anytime I'm eating and he sees me, whenever he wants some of it, he'll say, "Is that good?" Is that good? I don't have nothing in my mouth now. Is that good? Where'd your corn go? Oh. Here you go. Noah loves corn. He loves he'll eat corn on the cob all the time. Did y'all kiss? Oh, did you just steal it from his mouth? Here, love each other. Here, both of y'all eat. No, here. Here, Noah. Bye. Get off there. So if you guys want to order from Christine's Chop Shop, I will link the link below in the description, and you can get, y'all quit. I wish I would like each other. But they have the apple brittle, which they are loving, like absolutely loving. They're fighting over it. They have the corn wheels. They have all kinds of stuff. This is, I only ordered 3 things just because I didn't know what I wanted to get, and I wanted to try just a couple of things. They got the corn wheels. I'm gonna have to put all these in a different bag, but, and then here is the Big Bird bites. They have all sorts of stuff. So you see, and see if on the bottom there, I can just sprinkle that over their food for a little treat. So I think we give it a 10 out of 10. I think they love it. I'm super excited to see if they like this beet in here. I think that's what this is. I don't think it's a rutabaga. I think it's a beet. Pretty sure. Let's go ahead and see if they want to try this. Here, Noah, you want to try this? Do you like it? It's bigger than you are. Is that good? He is going through his little molt, so he is looking a little ratchet. Oh, I did call you ratchet, didn't I? I'm sorry. You're still handsome. Yeah. Yeah. You're still handsome. What is that corn? I saw somebody eat it. They tried it, so I'm gonna try it. Oh, that's good. I think I would buy this for myself. You want some too? Y'all are making a big mess.